Minister of Home Affairs and Cooperation Amit Shah urged stakeholders in cooperative societies, district registrars, heads of district cooperative banks, and heads of milk unions to support the establishment of primary agriculture credit societies in all villages and blocks of the country. He maintained that 2 lakh gram panchayats lack such societies. Para addressing a program at Gandhinagar marketing the 102 International Day of Cooperatives in Gandhinagar, Shah further appealed to all cooperative societies to open bank accounts with local, district, and state cooperative banks as well as buy from local dairies to strengthen the cooperative sector. He said the Cooperation Ministry has undertaken a drive to establish 2 lakh dairies and PACS for the 2 lakh gram panchayats that lack such facilities. He emphasized that there should not be a state or a district in the country where viable district cooperative banks and district milk producers unions are not there. We aim that in the next 5 years in these 2 lakh panchayats we will establish multi-purpose PACS. Do not consider whether you will be elected. If PACS are established, if it is not fated, you will still lose. If you strengthen the cooperative movement, then the farmers associate with it will elect you repeatedly and give you an opportunity to serve them. He said to the district registrars and leaders. Para Shah also visited the cooperatives in Panchamahal district where he inaugurated the corporate office of the Panchamrut dairy in Godhra and addressed cooperative farmers at Mahulia village. The center asked the automobile companies to join the Unified Right to Repair Portal India, which has been launched by the Department of Consumer Affairs to provide consumers with an easy access to information for repairing their products and in enabling them to reduce it. The meeting, chaired by Consumer Affairs Secretary Nidhi Khare, was attended by various representatives of automobile associations like ACMA, SIAM, ATMA, EPIC Foundation and companies including Tata Motors, Mahindra, TVS, Royal Enfield, Renault and Bosch, Yamaha Motors India and Honda Car India.